Hi, my name is Dill Park. I work in the animation industry. I'm a freelance concept artist. The workshops that the Utah Film Center provide, they can be done online or in person. We have a nice little presentation. We try to make it really interactive, and we encourage the students to participate a ton. Typically they do because we're talking about fun things. We're talking about the movies that they love and getting into a little bit more specific about how they make those movies. It's something that I really wish that I had when I was their age, when I was in elementary or middle school. I want to let them know, this is something that you can do as a career later on. It's very viable. And there's many other things. There's more than just math or science. There's a combination of these things.
Testing, 1, 2, testing.
Hi, my name is Dill Park, and we're going to be talking about animation today.
I think that these programs really help students get excited about content and things that are relevant to them, and also help them think about things that they would like to do professionally in the future.
In addition to having teacher professional development and field trips, as well as curated films, we have in-class workshops where we either come to your classroom in person, or you can access it to where we do a virtual workshop via Zoom. And what this does is that it provides your classroom not only with the ability to see what goes into making a film, whether it is an animated film or a feature-length film, it also gives students the inspiration to see that these are careers that they could actually pursue in their future.
It's really refreshing, and it helps remind me that this is something that can really impact people and really influence people, and that's kind of why I got into it in the first place.
I think that they were really excited to be a part of the program, to have a special opportunity and to meet a real professional that's doing this type of thing, so they can really connect the dots. I can keep doing this in the future and maybe get them excited to work hard in school.